Kids, and welcome to my channel The Curious Panda. I am your panda teacher, and in this video we are going to solve a question based on family tree. This family tree type of question comes in NSO, that is Science Olympiad examination, and that too in Achievers section, which carries 2 marks each. And that is why it is very important for you to understand how to solve these kind of questions, and that too in a very short period of time. And you would not believe me if I tell you that almost 90% of students go wrong in answering this kind of question. So that is why stay tuned till the end of the video, understand all the tips and tricks to how to solve these kind of questions, and then at the end I'm going to ask you a bonus question for which I would expect you to solve it yourself, and then go to the comment section and share your answer with explanations. I will reply to each and every one of you who share an explanation and the answer. So without wasting any more time, let's go to the question and solve it. Okay, before we go ahead, I would want to talk to you about these two books that I have for you. This book contains 18 to 20 previous year question papers on maths and English, right? So I have two books, one for maths, the other one is for English. The math book contains 18 previous year question paper, and the English book contains 21 previous year question paper. If you want to purchase this book, you can scan the QR code over here, or you can go to the comment section or the description box and you would find a link. You can use that to make the purchase. Also, if you want to buy class 1 or class 3 Olympiad books as well, you can do that. You can go to the description box or the comment section. You will find a pinned comment over there which will have a list of all the books that I already have from class 1 to class 4. Very soon I am also going to add science, GK and computer book as well, so stay tuned for that. You keep on checking the comment section or the description box, and you will find all the list of the books that are there for purchase. Okay, let's try and understand the concept from this question, right? Study the given family tree of Aryan and select the correct statement regarding it. So here is Aryan, right? And we have to study the family tree of of Aryan, and then we have to solve the question and find and select the correct statement that is there in the options, right? Now what is there to understand over here is that this a circle denotes a woman and a square here denotes a man, right? So here Rakesh is a man because it is denoted by a square, right? Meena, however, is a woman because it is denoted in a circle, right? Now each level, right? So this is one level. This each level actually shows a generation, right? So this is generation 1. Okay, this is generation 1. Similarly, this is generation 2, right? So this is generation 2, and this completely is generation 3. Okay, so I'm just marking this. So this is generation 3, so this is generation 2, and this is generation 3. Okay, so there are 3 generations. So it is like you say, for example, here you are generation 3. Your parents, like your mom, mother and your father, they are generation 2, and your grandparents, both from the maternal or your from your mother's side and your father's side, are generation 3. Okay, generation 1, sorry, right? So these are your grandparents, right? Grandparents. Generation 2 is parents, and generation 3 is you. Okay, simple. Okay, now what we'll have to try and understand is what the overall structure, the overall tree that is given. We'll have to try and understand that, right? So this is Aryan. Aryan is a male, right? Because again, he's a man or a male. So he's because he is given by a square over here, right? Aryan, when there are branches coming from a parent and it is divided into two, that means they are siblings, right? They are brothers and sisters. So Aryan has a sister named Avni, correct? If there would have been a square over here, then it would have been a brother and the name would have been, right? Now, Preeti Suraj that you can see over here, right? So Suraj is father of Aryan and Avni. Preeti is the mother of Aryan and Avni, right? So here you see it is a straight line. This is not a branch. Whenever it is shown by a straight line, means they are husband and wife. So Suraj is obviously he's male, so he's husband, and Preeti is wife. And so Preeti and Suraj have two children. One is Avni, who Avni, another other person is Aryan. Aryan is a male and Avni is a female, right? Simple. Okay. So let's now then go to the next level of generation. So generation one. Generation one has Rakesh. Rakesh is grandfather, right? Grandfather. Why grandfather? Obviously because it's denoted by a square. So Rakesh becomes a male and he's the grandfather. Meena is what? Meena is grandmother. है ना? Okay. So Meena and Rakesh, they have two children. One is Suraj. Suraj is Aryan's father, and the other one is Roshni. Now, who is Roshni? Roshni is then what is Roshni? Who is Roshni to Aryan? So Roshni becomes Aryan's aunt. Correct? So Roshni is Aryan's aunt because why? Because Aryan's father, that is Suraj. Suraj's sister is Roshni. Correct? And they are both the children of Meena and Rakesh. Now Roshni's husband is Rohit. Right? Roshni's husband is Rohit. And they have two children. One is Riti and Rima. Both are females and they are two sisters, right? Riti and Rima are sisters and are siblings. So do remember they are siblings because they are sisters. They are from the same parent. But Aryan and Riti, say Aryan and Riti would be cousins, right? So Aryan and Riti would be cousins because they are not from the same parent, right? So because Aryan's aunt's children will be say Aryan's cousins, right? Simple. Understand? I hope you understood this. So how do you check is that first, because we are looking into Aryan's family, what we have to first do is we have to find what are the generations that are there. In generation one, when you see in a straight line, when two people are shown in a straight line, that means they are husband and wife. So Rakesh and Meena are the husband and wife over here, and then they have two children. One is Suraj, the other one is Roshni. Suraj is a male, of course. Roshni is female. Shown. Suraj got married to Preeti. Roshni got married to Rohit. Right. So Roshni's husband is Rohit. Suraj's wife is Preeti. Suraj and Preeti have two children, Avni and Aryan. Aryan again is a male and Avni is a female, so they both are siblings, right? So and Aryan and Avni's parents who? Father is Suraj, mother is Preeti. Now in Roshni's case, Roshni is Aryan's aunt. Okay, Roshni is Aryan's aunt, and Rohit obviously is uncle. And then we have Riti and Rima, who are Aryan's cousins. They are not siblings; they are cousins. There are Roshni's and Rohit's children, right? Two sisters, Riti and Rima. Correct? Now, let's try and answer the question and understand which is the correct statement out of this. Right? Meena and Rakesh are the maternal grandparents of Aryan. Okay? So, what do you mean by maternal grandparents? Maternal grandparents is your mother's parents, right? It means your mother's parents. What is paternal grandparents? Paternal grandparents is your father's grandparents, right? So maternal grandparents means they have to be your mother's parents, right? So Aryan's mother's is Preeti. Is her parents Meena and Rakesh? No, they are their father-in-law and mother-in-law. They're not mother and father, they're father-in-law and mother-in-law, and that is why this is incorrect. Right? So this is incorrect. Why? I hope you would have understood this. It is incorrect because Meena and Rakesh are not parents of Preeti. They are parents of Suraj, and their father-in-law and mother-in-law are in-laws of Preeti, right? So this is an incorrect statement. Roshni is the paternal aunt of Aryan. Now, Aryan is what? Roshni is what? Roshni is Aryan's aunt. Is she from the paternal? That means father's side? Yes, because Suraj is Aryan's father. So this is correct, right? So this is your correct answer. Let's check option C and option D as well. Riti and Rima are Aryan's siblings. Are they siblings? No, they are cousins, right? So Aryan has only one sibling, that is Agni. So uh, is this correct? No, this is incorrect, right? And Preeti is Aryan's paternal aunt. So Preeti is Preeti Aryan's paternal aunt? No, Preeti is Aryan's mother, right? Mother. So do remember one thing: whenever two people are connected through a straight line, they are husband and wife. When they are connected and when they are branched out. Now, for example, these are two branches, right? They are not connected in a straight line. They are connected through two branches, so they are brothers and sisters, right? Simple, easy to understand. Great. Let me take a second and repeat this for you. So here circle means women, a square means man. Here Meena and Rakesh are generation 1. So I'm just writing gen 1. This is generation 2 and this is generation 3. Generation 3 is nothing but you. Generation 2 are your parents and generation 1 are grandparents, right? Now whenever two people are connected through a straight line, they are husband and wife. So Preeti here is wife, Suraj is husband, and obviously Suraj is Aryan's so and when there are two branches coming up in the next generation, that means they are children of Suraj and Preeti. When two people are connected through two branches, they are siblings, right? They are siblings, correct? But because here Suraj and Roshni, they are brothers and sisters, and Roshni's children Riti and Rima, they are what? They are Aryan's cousins. They cannot be siblings, they are cousins, right? Now, what is the relationship between Aryan and Roshni? What is the relationship between Aryan and Roshni? Now, Aryan's and Roshni's relationship is that Aryan is nephew of Roshni, or you can say Aryan's aunt is Roshni, right? So, two ways. If now, what is the relationship between Avni and Roshni? What will be the relationship? Again, aunt. So, Avni's aunt will be Roshni, and because Avni is a female, Avni will be Roshni's niece. Okay. Hopefully this is something that you have understood. Very easy to answer, but yes, do people do get confused? People do get confused between paternal and maternal. That's a confusion. People do get confused between siblings and cousins, and they do get confused between niece and nephew. I hope you would have understood this overall in this video. Now I'll leave you with another question, and I would want you to solve it yourself, and go to the comment section and let me know the answer with explanations. Now people would have answered it with explanation. I will reply to each and every one of you and see what kind of solution that you have given. What will this help you in is this will help you practice more and more, so that when you see these kind of questions in the examination, you will be able to answer it as soon as possible, rather than taking some time to understand the question again, right? So here you have to see the family tree and select the correct statement regarding it. So here you have again three generations that you can see. What you have to answer are whether or one of these options are correct. Whichever of this option is correct, you have to choose. Go to the comment section and let me know the answer. I hope you liked the video. If you did, press that like button, subscribe the channel, and if you want to purchase maths English Olympiad question paper, you can scan the QR code over here, or you can go to the comment section. You'll find a pinned comment, or you can go to the description box. You'll find all the books that are there for class 1 to class 4, between maths, science, English, and GK. I'll also have more and more books coming up in the next few weeks. So stay tuned and keep checking the comment section and the description boxes. So we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, thank you.